Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today we are celebrating Left Hand Loki. Congratulations, mate. 500 subscribers celebration. That is awesome achievement. Hashtag it Loki500. If I've got the hashtag wrong, I'll amend it in the description. I seem to be getting hashtags and titles and everything wrong at the moment. So who knows, I will amend it in the description. What Left Hand Loki would like us to do is to pick offhand, which means if you pick with your right hand, well then do it with your left. So do everything with your offhand. Well, I am right-handed, and at the moment my left hand is in a sling, in a what do you call that, bandage compression thingo. I slipped on some doggy slubber. You know how they have a drink out of the water bowl and then a golden retriever will walk it through the house as they dribble it out of their jowls? Well, yeah, I went for a 6 and 9 on the slobber and lost my brekkie and use of my hand. So what we are going to do is modify and adapt as we do as lock sporters. So, and the picking needs to be out of the pack, so why not? So first of all, let's try not to cut ourselves as we open a blister pack, which is always the exciting part of the video, to see if we're going to draw any blood at all. This will be a good thing to find out. Let's try not to cut towards us, is always the golden rule. Okay, get it in, cut away, hold it onto the right so I can with my elbow, like we do. Okay. Okay, first cut made, bonus. So nothing broken, had it x-rayed yesterday, so all good, just badly sprained. Thumb, fingers, wrist, thumb basically copped most of it, so that joint is pretty well knackered. But it'll come good, it's not a break. Not like what the father-in-law's done in Japan at the moment. We are house and pet sitting over at their place while they're in Japan, and he has come a crop up coming down some stairs and actually broke his leg. I tell you what. Alright, hook out the skeleton. That's alright, Skelly, you're good, mate. You're good, mate. Come back to me. You haven't heard anything, have you? You haven't broken anything? No, we're all good, we're good. Skelly says we're fine, we're good. All good. Waving. We're doing okay. We're all good. Alright, we'll just pop you back up there. Ha! Nice start to the video. What are we, 4 minutes in? Well, it looks like it's going to be one of those videos where you get to put your feet up, grab a cuppa. This could take a while just to get the thing out the packet. Left hand like it did say, try and make him laugh. So, let's all laugh together, shall we? Okay, yeah, the wrist is sort of lean on. Let's not lean on it anymore. Let's see if we can get in to the packet. So, did I even say what this lock was? It's a 64 Ti 30 HB60 titanium. Titanium, well that's just a mixture of the words titanium and aluminium stuck together. Oh, why do they have to stick the keys together? What? Can they not? Oh, great. Okay, they've stuck the keys together. Now to make another dangerous cut. So when you first put your key in the keyway, it's going to put sticky stuff in. Well, that's not very clever, Avis. Alright, so here we go. Key in keyway. Listen to snap. Alright, it's a little one, it's a little lock. Let's not have too much expectations there. That's the key. Oh, way there, pretty high. Alright, let's do it anyway. Dangle you off there, stick you in there, and yes, the other challenge for me in this video will be picking in a vise, because I can't hold the lock, you see. Well, I could hold the lock in that hand and pick out that hand, couldn't I? Yeah. Let's get rid of the vise, because I'm picking and doing that. Yeah, let's get rid of the vise, get rid of the vise. Here am I thinking I'd have to hold the lock in this hand, but it's an offhand picking, which means reverse it. Right, well that feels better to get rid of that vise. Yes, we don't like vices very much around here. So we need to grab a pick, grab a tension wrench and hold a pick. So let's stick it in there, shall we? We will hold the pick between the two fingers that are less hurt and stick it in the bandage like that. So we're going to do a little bit of that action, I reckon. I reckon we could do it like that. Now we just need to get a tension wrench in. I'm going to go all over my finger. Is that going to work? Yep. Okay, we've got a tension wrench in. Alright, and we're going to pick it. Alright, let's do a zoom in. Right, here we go. Let's see if we can get this done. Hey, we're 7 minutes in and we're just putting the pick in under 10 minutes. Where's the pins? Okay, there's one. Okay, find the binders. It's always good to find a binder. Oh, and have it in shot. Okay, and the other challenge today is it is 30 plus degrees. We're on our 5th day, I think, of a heat wave, and I've got no cooling in the lock load. So sweat is just dripping off me onto the bench. Okay, oh, I felt a pin move then. That's always a good sign. Anything? Any movement at all? There we go. Maybe. Concentrating now. Losing the tension wrench. Stick it back in there. Okay, come on. You can do it. Maybe I need a deeper hook. Let's change hooks. Go for a medium. tension wrench back in. Oh, I lost something that got set. Yeah, we're going for a 15-minute video this time. Cool. Why rush through videos? Yep, not even feeling the pins. Okay, keep it going. Using the tension wrench again. Come on, little lock. We'll do it upside down. Come on. Alright, did say we could try and pick it anyway, so let's try a little zip in. Set some pins. I might have been hitting pins. Got it on the wrong angle. Keyway goes the other way. It would have been good if I looked at the keyway at the start. Jammed it. Stuck. Come on. Alright, now. Losing tension wrench. Come on. Oh, I lost everything. Okay, try again. That'll be warding, going clicky clicky. Oh, getting nowhere. So might have to go to plan B here. Yeah, there's always a plan B. Yeah. Right, plan B. When you do it, get the rake out. Right, let's change over tools. Get the rake out, slide the rake in there. Ooh. Okay, there we go, rake's in. Tension wrench, get tension wrench back, balance everything. It can go in there. Balance in. Alright, we're going to rake it. rake stuck. Oh, what kind of keyway is this? Give it a bit of rocking, a bit of rolling, a bit of raking, bit of, stucking. I need my worm, that's what I need. I need a little worm rake. Come on. Okay, try that. Dropping tension wrench again. Oh, this is a fun challenge, isn't it? The things we do to celebrate Lock Sporters' milestones. I let them remember them. Come on. It's stuck again. Stuck again. Alright, try. Okay. Okay, there's got to be a plan C in here somewhere. Alright, let's go for a plan C. What are we, 18 minutes? Bring it on. Alright. Let's go for a snake. Let's get the snake out. See if the snake will do it. Will the snakey just slide on in there, get us in, get us the open. It's a white snakey. Okay, snakey. Not fitting in keyway. Okay, snakey's not going to do it. Alright. Okay, who else can get us an open? Anyone? Who else is here? Found a worm. We're going for a worm. Let's try the worm. Alright, let's go in. Come on. Jeez, I'm useless at raking at the best of times and I'm trying to do it like this. Not actually getting any worm action going. It's a bit stuck. Okay, come on. Losing control of the worm. It's wiggling away from me. Okay, how close am I? I went to drop it, then couldn't move it. Alright, let's go back to the, what do you call it? The other thing. See if we've got anything set. Every 20 minutes. Oh, great. It's a 5-pinner, I think. Oh, look at that first pin. It's up super high. No wonder I'm not getting nothing. Alright, I need a deeper hook. That'll be called a deep hook in some language. Alright, that first pin is probably what's holding me out. Let's go in and get it with a high hook. Have we got it? Have we got it? Have we got anyone? Are we even on the pins? Can't feel, don't know. Don't know. Let's have a feel. I'll attempt at feeling what's going on in there. Aha! Ah! Okay, don't push your hook on like that with the pointy end. It hurts. Oh, finally. Hey! Oh, I can't believe it. I got the open. Hey, that's what it's all about. Getting those opens, that's the sound we like to hear. No matter if it takes us 5 hooks, 30 minutes, and the assistance of a puppy. Thank you to Clancy the Golden Retriever for slubbering that stuff all over the floor to make me go ass up. This has been a fun challenge. Congratulations, Lieutenant Loki. Go check out the hashtag for all the videos. If you've got it wrong, it'll be corrected in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.